Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're not just looking at houses, we're exploring architectural masterpieces, the definitive examples of modern luxury house design. This style is about more than just size. It's a commitment to elevated living, cutting-edge technology, and stunning, intentional design. We're going to dissect what makes a home truly modern and luxurious, examine the incredible benefits this lifestyle offers, reveal how to craft a perfect high-end exterior, and then, the moment you've been waiting for, count down our top 10 best modern luxury house design ideas. Get ready to redefine your definition of home. At its core, modern luxury house design is the seamless marriage of modernist architectural principles with uncompromising quality and bespoke amenities. Modernism emphasizes clean lines, functional purpose, and a rejection of unnecessary ornamentation. When you combine this with luxury, you get a home characterized by large, often monolithic, geometric shapes, expansive open-concept layouts, and an abundance of natural light facilitated by floor-to-ceiling glass. The definition hinges on two critical elements: premium materials, such as rare natural stone, fine hardwoods, and bespoke metalwork, and integrated technology, where smart home systems control everything from climate to security. It's an approach where form and function are maximized to create a sophisticated, comfortable, and highly personalized environment that expresses prestige without ostentation. Investing in modern luxury design offers a multitude of benefits that enhance quality of life. Firstly, these homes are inherently future-proofed. They are typically built with the highest quality, most durable materials, guaranteeing longevity, and they seamlessly integrate smart home automation and sustainable features, ensuring efficiency and easy adaptation to future technology. Secondly, the design itself promotes wellness and comfort. The expansive windows and open layouts maximize natural light and views, a concept known as biophilic design, which has been proven to boost mood and productivity. Finally, modern luxury homes are designed for seamless indoor-outdoor living. With features like vanishing glass walls, integrated outdoor kitchens, and resort-style pools, they transform the entire property into a cohesive entertainment and relaxation hub, significantly expanding usable living space and making hosting effortless. The exterior of a modern luxury home is its signature, requiring meticulous attention to detail to achieve that high-end, gallery-like feel. The first rule is to embrace a minimalist material palette, usually 2 or 3 primary materials, such as smooth white stucco or concrete, rich walnut wood cladding, and large sheets of glass, to ensure visual cohesion. Lighting is paramount. Employ strategic, layered lighting to turn the house into a dramatic sculpture at night. Use integrated LED strips to highlight architectural planes and uplighting on mature trees or textured walls. Landscaping must be clean and architectural, favoring geometric planting beds, low maintenance, sculptural greenery, and hardscaping elements like polished concrete or large format pavers that complement the home's straight lines. Finally, focus on a grand entrance. A pivot door made of exotic wood or etched glass, often flanked by custom water features or stone walls, sets the tone for the luxury within. It's time to see these concepts in breathtaking action. We're counting down the top 10 best modern luxury house design ideas, featuring stunning examples of these architectural styles from around the world. Pay close attention to how these designers use volume, material contrast, and light to create truly luxurious homes. 1. The geometric concrete and glass masterpiece. Kicking off our countdown is this spectacular example of pure contemporary luxury. This home is a composition of clean, interlocking concrete blocks and sheer walls of glass, showcasing a bold, cantilevered upper volume that provides both drama and shaded outdoor living space below. The facade is dominated by a flat roofline and a stark color palette of light gray concrete and dark aluminum window frames. The overall design emphasizes horizontal lines and transparency, making the architecture feel like a sculptural element perfectly placed against the sky. 2. The warm wood-clad entertainment villa. This design beautifully exemplifies organic modernism. The large, rectilinear structure features extensive use of warm-toned wood plank cladding, which contrasts beautifully with the stark white stucco of the main body and the dark window frames. The expansive outdoor area, clearly visible through the numerous floor-to-ceiling glass panels, includes a spacious wooden deck and likely an integrated pool, defining it as an ultimate entertainment destination. The lighting design subtly highlights the texture of the wood, adding a layer of sophisticated warmth to the sharp geometric forms. 3. The ultimate hillside infinity pool residence. Positioned dramatically on a slope, this home maximizes panoramic views, a signature of true luxury. The design is a series of stacked, smooth white boxes with minimal ornamentation, allowing the landscape and the striking architectural form to be the primary focus. The centerpiece is the sprawling infinity-edged pool that appears to spill into the horizon, seamlessly blending with the view. The extensive use of glass turns the interior spaces into transparent showcases for the opulent lifestyle within, especially when illuminated at dusk. 4. The dark and moody desert oasis. This home uses a striking dark color palette to achieve high-impact luxury, often favored in arid or dramatic locales. The exterior combines dark stone or brick on the lower level with black or very dark gray paneled siding on the upper volume. The flat roof and recessed lighting accentuate the sharp corners and clean geometry. The prominent, low-slung windows and carefully placed planters contrast the dark facade with pops of green, making the architectural mass feel grounded and powerfully sophisticated. 5. The grand modern entry with vertical screens. Luxury starts at the entrance, and this design makes a grand statement. The front facade features a unique textural blend, most notably the use of vertical metal or dark wood slats that provide privacy and shade while adding a dynamic visual element. The entrance is a tall, narrow void set into the structure, guiding the eye toward a spectacular pivot door. The low, minimalist landscaping, composed of manicured grass and simple rectangular stone steps, perfectly complements the home's controlled, high-end geometry. 6. The multi-level urban sanctuary. Perfect for a dense urban or suburban environment, this home utilizes verticality and varied setbacks to create dimension and privacy. The exterior is a sophisticated mix of materials, light-colored stucco, dark wood accents, and large windows with black framing. Multiple outdoor living spaces, including balconies and a rooftop terrace, are integrated seamlessly into the structure, maximizing every square foot. The careful layering of these elements ensures the home feels private and secure while maintaining a dynamic and visually engaging facade. 7. The white stucco and glass open concept home. This design embodies the airy elegance of modern luxury. The home is characterized by clean, smooth white stucco walls and large, uninterrupted sheets of glass. The flat roof and minimalist geometric form emphasize a sense of lightness and openness. The ground floor features expansive sliding doors that fully open to the meticulously designed outdoor patio, blurring the line between interior and exterior spaces. This approach not only looks luxurious but drastically enhances livability and flow. 8. The dramatic cantilevered structure with stone base. Here we see engineering innovation meeting high design. The structure features a large, dramatic upper volume that cantilevers over the lower portion, creating a bold architectural statement and providing a sheltered patio area. The base of the house is clad in a handsome, textured gray natural stone, providing an organic anchor, while the upper section uses smooth, light-colored panels. This contrast of weight and material, heavy stone versus floating box, is a hallmark of sophisticated, high-end modern design. 9. The forest retreat with vertical wood screens. This example is a perfect blend of modern lines and nature, utilizing vertical cedar or redwood slats on the upper portion for texture and privacy. The dark, recessed lower level grounds the home into the wooded environment. The contrast between the natural wood's texture and the smooth glass and dark metal trim provides incredible visual depth. This design prioritizes tranquility and seclusion, creating a luxurious retreat that is both visually stunning and environmentally integrated. 10. The illuminated multi-volume mansion at night. Our final design is best appreciated after dark, demonstrating the power of architectural lighting. This large, multi-volume home uses stacked rectangular forms and an integrated lighting scheme to spectacular effect. Subtle linear lights highlight the transitions between material changes, and interior lighting turns the expansive glass sections into glowing focal points. The addition of a sleek, illuminated pool and carefully positioned accent lights on the trees confirms this as the epitome of prestige and dramatic modern luxury living. These 10 spectacular designs confirm that modern luxury house design is an art form, a calculated effort to blend cutting-edge architecture with unparalleled quality and comfort. It's about creating an experience, not just a structure. By prioritizing clean lines, natural light, premium materials, and smart technology, these homes stand as monuments to sophisticated living. Whether you're planning a new build or looking to infuse your current home with contemporary elegance, incorporating the principles of sleek geometry, seamless indoor-outdoor flow, and intentional material selection is the key to achieving this world-class aesthetic. Now we want to know, which of these breathtaking modern luxury designs defines your ultimate dream home? Drop the number or style in the comments below. If you're ready to take your own design ideas to the next level, hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studios for more luxury architecture deep dives and home inspiration. Tap the notification bell so you never miss our future tours of the world's most incredible homes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next design journey.